Our little alarm clock. Every morning this bird come, he's flying and hitting against the window because outside is a mirror, so he's seeing himself. And I guess he's flying around with himself every morning the same time by 6, between 6:15 usually come. And you have other windows around the house, but you come to this particular one right at the bedroom. I guess it's the alarm clock. It's time to get up. Yeah, he was there earlier this morning. Went away, came back. Figure we're not up yet, so he come to make a snooze. Yep.
Snooze alarm.
That's our alarm. He's just flying up and down, hitting the window each time he fly up.
Every day, the same time.